Use calendar blocks to create a calendar pulling content from other pages on your site. You can use this block to display events, blogs, products, galleries, and more. To get started, edit a page or post, click Add Block, and then click Calendar Block. Choose a collection page to display the content from. For the best visual display, we recommend adding excerpt and featured images to every item in the collection displayed in your calendar blocks. With Fluid Engine, you can move and resize calendar blocks to fit within the desired look of your page. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.